Realtors, I'm David from Tribe Digital Marketing, and I'm about to give you the 5 ways ChatGPT can boost your social media marketing. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about content creation and curation. Realtors, we understand the challenges that you have creating fresh, engaging content. ChatGPT here is a game changer to help you produce compelling property descriptions, insightful blogs, and timely social media posts. What's the benefit? A steady stream of high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This drives engagement and builds trust. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm and draft diverse types of content, from educational pieces to market insights. This ensures that your social media channel is always insightful and informative. Moving on to number 2, personalized interaction. The key to winning clients is not only showcasing stunning properties, but also providing immediate personalized responses. ChatGPT can power chatbots that provide personalized customer service to your clients. These chatbots can provide tailored recommendations and often answer customer queries in real time. What's the benefit? Well, enhanced customer service and a boost in your lead generation. Number 3, market analysis and trend reporting. Staying ahead of market trends is vital, but often very overwhelming. Here is where ChatGPT shines once again. ChatGPT can analyze a vast amount of data, highlighting current real estate trends. What's the benefit here? Well, you'll be able to share this information with your client, thus showing that you are the industry expert. Fourth, let's talk about enhancing visual content. High-quality visuals are vital when it comes to real estate marketing. ChatGPT, in collaboration with other AI-based tools, can help create captivating images and virtual tours. This not only makes your listing stand out, but also increases engagement on your social media platform. Experiment with AI tools to enhance property photos and generate stunning visual posts. Doing this will add extra appeal to your social media posts. Last but not least, let's talk about how ChatGPT can automate your social media management. Keeping up with multiple social media accounts is very time-consuming and difficult. ChatGPT can assist you with scheduling posts, analyzing engagement, and optimizing your content strategy. The benefit? A more efficient workflow and a constant social media presence. You can use ChatGPT to draft and schedule a mix of content by posting both listings and client testimonials. This ensures that your social media marketing is very diverse and your platform is very engaging. In conclusion, integrating ChatGPT into your social media marketing can streamline operations. It can also enhance the engagement with your clients and keeping you ahead of such a competitive market. Remember, if you're looking to harness the power of ChatGPT for your social media market, visit tribedigital.ca. At Tribe Digital Marketing, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's transform your digital presence together.